Hello everyone, I'm Nova Lui, RHB Bank Head of Investors Advisory. Thank you for tuning into our podcast series. In the month of November, US equity market extended its recovery, closing the month with up to 10% gain in a single month. Meanwhile, other developed markets such as Europe and Japan market also have done well. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell calls talk of cutting rates premature and says more hikes could happen in future. However, defying Jerome Powell's comment, markets are pricing in that rate cut may materialize as early as first quarter of 2024. Rate cut is typically positive for risky assets, especially bond, where we observe that the US 10-year Treasury yield is coming down from its peak. On the much anticipated APEC meeting, investors are expecting good outcome on the Xi-Biden meeting, however, hit a pause when President Biden called President Xi a dictator. China's media commented that the meeting as a new starting point for US-China relationship. The summit was overall positive, with President Xi emphasizing the need for win-win solution and reiterate that China is not in the lookout for cold and hot war with anyone. On corporate front, China's Alibaba share price plunged after reversing spin-off plan of its cloud unit. Alibaba says it will not proceed with a full spin-off its cloud computing unit due to uncertainties brought by the US chip export curbs. Earlier this year, Alibaba announced to split itself into 6 different business units, each of which now has its own independent management and will consider pursuing their own initial public offering and raising their own cash for development. Stocks in China retreated as news that Beijing may introduce fresh stimulus measure for property sector was not enough to offset broader economic woes. While the measure may help to boost confidence, there is concern that the so-called whitelist of developers eligible for a range of financing would mainly comprise state-owned firms. That means distressed companies most in need of the support would be excluded. Malaysia's Prime Minister announced a 30-day visa entry for visitors from China and India beginning 1st of December 2023. This is expected to boost the domestic tourism and consumption market. Meanwhile, there is rise in the COVID-19 cases globally, including in Malaysia, which has sparked some concern, and there are increase in the demand for masks. However, the recent daily cases of sub 2,000 a day remains low comparing to the historical peak in Malaysia of 30,000 cases in a single day. Thank you for joining my podcast today. Please stay tuned on our Market Insight from RHB Merge website. Stay safe and Happy New Year.